how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Welcome to another Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue on Instagram where highlights aren't working or you can't add stories to your highlights. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So, as you can see here, I quickly added a test story. And if I go to either edit a current highlight or create a new one, that story does not show up in the available stories that I can add to that highlight. So it's actually really easy to fix this. All you need to do is first open up Instagram, then navigate to your profile. Once you get to your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu. And then in the menu, select settings and privacy. Once in settings and privacy, scroll down until you get to your app and then in media and select archiving and downloading from here. All we need to do is toggle on save story to archive. Then we can navigate back to our profile. And now if I select to edit highlight or create a new one, you'll see that story that I created is now available. And I can create a highlight and add it to my Instagram profile. And there it is now. If it's still not working after this, I recommend navigating to your respective app store, either the Google Play Store or the App Store on an iPhone, searching Instagram, opening up Instagram, and if there's an update available, it'll let you know. Just go ahead and select update, and then it will download the latest version of Instagram and install it to your phone. And this should fix highlights not working on Instagram. So that's how you fix highlights not working on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can if you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials. Check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, EasyKnowHow, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.